In this video, we will demonstrate how to calibrate the machine via the GP server to match the desired stock using a spectrophotometer. To calibrate the device, you will need to be logged in as an administrator. Select the Calibration tab that is located in the middle of the Job Manager page. Once in the Calibration page, on the left side, select the plus symbol to create a new calibration profile. You will be prompted to select between two devices to perform the calibration. This video focuses on the spectrophotometer method, so we will select this option. Make sure that ApeosPro 2 M2 is the selected scanning device. Half dome is set to 200. Set the calibration method to standard. Set the calibration target to reflect the type of stock you are using. We are using uncoated stock, so we will select uncoated stock. The final step is to ensure that the tray has been loaded with the stock we are using. We are using tray 1, so we need to select tray 1. Select Next. The Step 2 screen will open, and the number of copies will be set to 5 copies. However, if you have just started your machine, you should run 20 copies or a less color-critical job before calibration. And please ensure to check the image quality of the last print to ensure it is free from image quality defects for the optimal calibration. Select Print, and the calibration charts will print. Always use the final chart that is printed. Place the chart into the spectrophotometer guide tray. Ensure the spectro is in its cradle. And select Next to continue. Select Use Colorimetry Application and press Start to enable the connected spectrophotometer. Select Start again, and instructions and progress messages will be displayed on the screen. You'll be instructed to set the handheld reader to the white reference plate within the cradle, and press the button. Place the spectro onto the cradle that normally holds the spectro, and press the button on the side once. The spectro will scan the white reference plate and calibrate itself. When the spectro is ready, the instructions on the screen will ask you to scan row 1. Place the spectro on the sliding guide so it is aligned with row 1 on the calibration chart. Press and hold the button on the side of the spectro and wait for the light on top to turn green. Continue holding the button and slide the spectro smoothly across the top row on the chart and release the button. If you haven't scanned the row properly, you will be asked to scan it again. When the row has been scanned correctly, the row on the screen will change color and you will be instructed to scan row 2. Line up the spectro with row 2, press and hold the button and begin scanning row 2 when the light turns green. When row 2 has been scanned correctly, you will be asked to scan row 3. Continue following the instructions on the screen and scan the rest of the rows on the calibration chart. When all of the rows have been scanned correctly, select Complete. The calibration results will be displayed. Press Save to save the calibration file and type a name that reflects the type of stock being used. This calibration file will be called Uncoded 90 GSM2, as we already have a file called Uncoded 90 GSM. Check that Assign to the selected tray/media is ticked at the bottom of the window and press Save. The main calibration screen will be displayed, and the calibration file that you just created will be listed on the left of the screen. The calibration file has already been assigned to tray 1, but you can assign your calibration to different trays by selecting a tray and using the Assign button, or by right-clicking on a tray and selecting the Assign option. To achieve color consistency, we recommend that operators calibrate their calibration profiles each morning. Firstly, select your existing calibration profile from the list. Select Update and continue with guided steps. There is no need to update the existing profile name, just press OK, and the timestamp will confirm the existing calibration profile has been updated. That concludes the calibration process using the spectrophotometer. Thanks for watching.